Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate the developer badge on Discord in 2024. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. First of all, you're going to go to your Discord and create a brand new server. Name it, for example, YouTube Tutorials. Then you're going to go to the settings section and enable community. Click on verified email required, scan media content and all the checkboxes. Make sure you agree to everything and then finish the setup. From there, you're going to go to the Discord developer portal, log in and then click on new application. From there, rename it whatever you would like, for example YouTube tutorial, and then click on create. From there you're going to go to the bot section and then you're going to scroll down until the privilege gateway intents and then click on turn on and then turn on again and again and again. Save the changes and then reset token. Copy it and then go to any bot's website, for example bot ghost, create a bot, scroll all the way down after you create and then click on the bot token, paste it and then create your own bot. Once you do that, you're going to go down to the active developer badge and then click on enable and then save changes. Click on the invite and then invite it to your Discord server. And from there, you can test any command that you would like, for example, / and then active dev badge. After you do that, you can wait up to 24 hours until they send you the badge. And from there, you will have it right next to your name. Once you do that, every 30 days, you will have to use any type of command to keep the badge enabled and turn on. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.